How to add filters in Picsart. Let's level up your photos with just one click. Here's how to add filters in Picsart. Load your photo into the editor and select filters from the left toolbar. You will see categories like FX, vintage, portrait, and more. Explore to find your style. Click on any filter to preview it instantly. Use the screen slider to control how intense or subtle the effect appears. Once you are happy with the look, click apply and export your image. What's your go-to filter style? Moody, warm, or vibrant? Let me know in the comments below. Combine a filter with manual adjustments like brightness and contrast and for a more polished and personalized look. And that's how you can add filters in Picsart. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.